Hello and welcome to Enthusiast Auto House and our 1984 Volkswagen Vanagon. It has a 1.9 liter flat 4 that starts right up and runs excellent. It's a 4-speed manual transaxle, shifts through all gears nicely. Strong clutch. The cooling system was just gone through by Hash Imports, and that's all excellent. Dash is in good condition. It has the cool bench seat in the front that you don't see very often, and also this cargo guard behind it. It has the 3 wide seating in the center, and that whole row will just slide out, so you have storage. Has 3 seats behind that, and then all the storage above the engine in the back. It has miscellaneous little bits of surface rust in various spots around it. It has a good patina look to it, and nothing structural. The tires are all in good shape. The chassis is all intact. And again, there's some surface rust, but no flaking or holes or anything scary. All around, it's just a super cool little bus that you can happily drive every day. So there you have it, our 1984 Volkswagen Vanagon.